Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be playing some H1C1 and the game has already started. Nice. So yeah, sorry for not uploading yesterday, but I recorded a video, I edited it, tried to render it, but the render failed many times. Then I tried to re-edit it, didn't work. Then I saved the file to see if I could render it later. Then when I opened the file again, everything was just black on the file. Oh, police car. Which I'm not gonna be getting. Weapon. What? Why is there no weapon? There's a vest though. Yeah, I can hear shotgun shots behind me. So I'm just gonna use the fence there to flee. We found a shotgun ourselves now. Ooh, sneakers. They make you run fast. Oh, AR. Cool. Wait, am I here or something? But yeah, guys. So that's why there wasn't an upload yesterday. And then actually this morning before I went to school, I was playing, and I actually got a victory. Like I survived. So yeah, pretty proud of myself there. I really want to pass behind you. Actually pretty proud of myself for winning. I'm gonna get rid of the Magnum because I like having 2 ARs. Because if you're in a fight, it doesn't like slow you down to reload, because since you can just kind of switch weapons and then you have another AR fully loaded. But yeah, it sounds like there's people out here fighting. Are there anyone? I'm not peeking completely, since I really don't want. Shall we go get involved? Alright, got that guy. But I only shot him once. Alright, got him as well. Good thing I have another helmet. But I lost my body armor. Oh, he had a police car? I'm still bleeding, so... there. Done there. Some gas, I guess. Grenade. Yep. You know what? Let's just get out of here. We can head a bit northwest, which is actually the complete other way. This way. Alright. I wanna head northwest so I can get, or actually mostly north, pretty much. So how much ammo I have? Guess I'm kinda alright. I'm gonna stop here to see if I can get something. Ooh, nice. Something valuable. I need a military backpack, which is a bigger backpack than the one I already have on, which I would love, and most people probably already have, There's actually a police car up there, but I'm not even gonna bother right now. Molly. You never know when you're gonna use grenades. More ammo, cool. Some duct tape. Millie backpack, that's what I wanted to see. Alright, you know what, let's just get going. Nope. I'm not even gonna bother getting out of the car trying to fight him right now. He did actually take off my helmet. This is not good. I need to head east. Where's east? No. Would you flip the fucking vehicle? Come on. Now just get your ass inside it. Need to make this, I need to stop bleeding. I'm gonna park my car here. Of course. Gonna close the door. I absolutely need another helmet. I'm not gonna be able to fight anyone if I don't have a helmet. And that's basically because I can just get one shot headshotted by like any fucking weapon. That's why I'm going through these houses right now. There's a normal backpack, won't even bother. Yes, please. Yeah, no, I'm good. Guess I have a. Do actually quite want like one more helmet at least. So I have an extra. Frag grenade. Those are probably already looted, which means I should probably also kind of watch out. I'm gonna go into the city. Luckily, you can only get like this by breaking down like larger backpacks, so that's why you kind of need to find really need to get more wet. And that's only the same sale. But guys, alright, something that confused me from the start. To go west, this way is west, like to the left, east is to the right, north is up, south is down. And then you have like north, southwest, stuff like that. Yes, I actually did. I can still see something. But what I'm gonna do is like drop down 50 minutes. 26 people remain. Sorry if I'm kind of being quiet, but this is... I'm kind of trying to hit this car again. I didn't have a shotgun. Oh man. That really came back to bite me in the butt that I forgot to pick up my shotgun again. Oh, I still thought that other guy was alive though. That was my mistake. But yeah, just to prove it, you can see number 1 there. Yeah. But anyway, that was an alright game, okay? I can appreciate that. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a comment down below. I'm probably gonna be playing a lot more of it. So if you wanna watch more, you can record it and then upload it. And yeah, until next time, bye.